Health and Longevity, Keto and the Science of Staying Younger, by KetoNet. A growing body of scientific research is challenging the long-held belief that aging is an inevitable, one-way process. A new study published in March 2025 in the peer-reviewed journal Nutrients suggests that dietary intervention, specifically a very low-calorie ketogenic diet, VLCKD, may significantly slow down, and even reverse, aspects of biological aging. Unlike traditional studies that rely on weight, BMI, or chronological age, this research focused on epigenetic age, a more advanced marker of how fast the body is aging at a cellular level. Epigenetic age is measured through DNA methylation, a process that reflects how lifestyle and metabolic factors influence gene expression over time. In simple terms, it reveals how old the body truly is, regardless of the number on a birth certificate. The study followed adults living with obesity who adhered to a structured VLCKD for 6 months. Throughout the intervention, researchers used 3 independent biological aging clocks to track changes in cellular aging. By the end of the study, participants demonstrated an average reduction of more than 6 years in biological age, a finding that caught the attention of researchers and clinicians alike. What makes these findings particularly noteworthy is that the observed improvements extended beyond weight loss alone. The reduction in biological age suggests positive changes occurring at a cellular and metabolic level, indicating potential repair mechanisms rather than simple calorie restriction effects. According to the authors, this points to a deeper therapeutic role for ketogenic nutrition when applied correctly. The driving force behind these results appears to be nutritional ketosis. When carbohydrate intake is significantly reduced, the body switches from glucose dependence to fat metabolism, producing ketones as an alternative fuel source. These ketones are not merely an energy supply, they act as metabolic messengers that influence inflammation, insulin sensitivity, mitochondrial function, and genes associated with aging and longevity. This metabolic shift may help create a more stable, less inflammatory internal environment, one often linked to healthier aging. While the findings add excitement to the growing field of nutritional longevity, researchers caution against casual application. A VLCKD is a highly structured intervention that requires professional supervision, particularly due to its very low calorie intake. Without proper guidance, such an approach may lead to nutrient deficiencies or metabolic imbalances. It is not designed as a general lifestyle diet and may not be appropriate for everyone. Still, the broader implications are difficult to ignore. This study adds scientific weight to what many in the ketogenic community have long observed anecdotally, that a well-formulated ketogenic approach can deliver benefits far beyond fat loss. Improved metabolic health, reduced inflammation, enhanced energy, and now potential support for healthier aging all point to keto as a powerful metabolic tool when applied responsibly. As research continues to evolve, studies like this highlight the importance of moving beyond calorie-centric thinking and focusing instead on metabolic health, cellular function, and long-term vitality. Aging may be unavoidable, but how we age could be far more within our control than once believed. Disclaimer: this article is intended for general informational and entertainment purposes only. It is not medical advice, and it should not be used as a substitute for professional diagnosis or treatment. Always seek the guidance of a qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet, lifestyle, exercise routine, or medication. Stay updated on the latest news, connect, interact and more on KetoNet, available on the Apple Store and Google Play.